When the production of floating hoses is completed, we will inspect the hoses according to client's requirement. The content of the inspection mainly includes size, water pressure, bending test and weight detection. The size measurement selects a certain number randomly and mainly measures the flange parameters, outer diameter, center distance, number, and diameter of holes, as well as the inner diameter and length of the pipeline. As for the water pressure test, no pressure relief was observed when the pressure was held for 5 minutes under the test pressure. The bending test is carried out at the working pressure when using the electric hoist to bend the hose body to the design angle. Observe the changes or abnormalities of the hose body. In terms of weight detection, it is not routinely tested for hoses. The weight check is measured by handing the hoses to check whether the weight of the hoses is within the error range. The above is the main content of self-floating hoses detection. After the production is completed, engineers must inspect the hoses to ensure the quality. If you are interested in our hoses, welcome to contact us.